Hello, I'm Jay. I've been living and teaching American English in Japan for 15 years. I started English Life to help others learn English pronunciation better. Last week, I taught some common mispronounced drinks. Today, I'd like to continue with some popular food, condiments, that many of my Japanese students have trouble saying. If you like these videos, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to get the latest videos. Now, sit back and get ready to learn together. Let's give it a try. Ketchup, ketchup, ketchup. Mustard, mustard, mustard. Mayonnaise, mayonnaise, mayonnaise. Hot sauce, hot sauce, hot sauce. Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Salt, salt, salt. Pepper, pepper, pepper. Did you find this video helpful? Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe. I upload videos every week. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.